Welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this tutorial, I want to share how we can control proximity sensor and a 12V relay. And we will use 12V power supply, which is AC to DC. And here is the number S-36-12, and which is 36 watt and a 12V. And for ampere, 3 ampere 12V. So the input is 240 volt and the output is 12V, but 3 ampere. So the 3 ampere is good enough to control this relay. It's just we trigger by using this sensor. So I have already made one video that's how we can control this sensor with Arduino. So the Arduino we can control like a 5V relay or 12V relay, and we can have a display. But here we cannot have a display because it's not required to program. We cannot program anything right here. So we just trigger by using this very simple way. When the sensor is detected and the relay we on, that's it. So the part that we're gonna need is, of course, this sensor here, and I will remove the wiring first, and make sure you turn off the power supply. I'll take this 12V. Okay, so this is the sensor that I have here. So very important, this is whenever you're going to use a sensor, you must know what kind of sensor you're going to use. So my sensor is to detect the method. So my project is to detect the method, and this sensor we only detect a method. So when the method is near to this 4 mm and the sensor we work. So how we know that is we have to check the datasheet. So here, this is the part number F3-04N. If you go to the internet and check in the number, you will see what detect specification. And here, BN is stand for this brown wire. So the brown wire is positive, and BK is stand for black, which is NPN, and the sensor type is normally open. And BU is stand for blue. So the blue is a negative, and black is signal. So we must not mistake this. Brown is positive, black is signal, blue is negative. And here the working voltage is 4.8 to 30 voltage. So in between this voltage, its sensor will work. And this is NPN type and normally open. So that's very important. You must know what kind of sensor you work and how many voltage and which type, NPN or normally open or normally closed. Okay, we already know this sensor specification. And here is 12V, because we use 12V because we have 12V power supply and our sensor is 12V. So basically this is 4.8 to 30V, but we're going to work with 12V. And here this is 12V and input live neutral ground, and we must turn off first. We must turn off the switch, and 12V negative. So the 12V negative we connect to blue color, which is negative here, and 12V positive we connect to brown color, which is positive. We're going to screw here, and the signal which is black we connect to a relay output. So relay, we're going to use this relay, and this is 12V. You can use any brand, and we have here, this is 12V, and any brand you can use, and there's a pin. So the diagram you're going to check from here. So here pin number 13 and 14 is acquired, and pin number 9 is common, and 5 is normally open, 1 is normally closed. And this side 12 is common, 8 is normally open, 4 is normally closed. So here we're going to slot to the socket here, and we socket, and the sensor negative we connect to here, and directly from pin number 13 we go to positive of the 12V here. So the connection, everything is complete here, and we must make sure that our wiring diagram of this sensor part, brown is positive, blue is negative, and black is the signal we goes to here 12V input, and one 12V positive direct connect to the relay. So let me turn on this 12V power supply from the main. Okay, so the power is already turning on, and let me test with this method. So the sensor is work. The sensor is work and the relay is turning on. So whenever the method is near to this sensor, and the signal we transmit and we go into relay. So this is very simple, but we cannot have any LCD display because we can't program anything right here. If you want to have the display, we're going to use Arduino or any microcontroller or PLC. So the output, you can use either it's 12V light or 240V light bulb. The connection is complete, right? And I'm going to turn on the power here and the switch. So whenever the sensor is detected and the relay will be turned on. So I hope this video will help us somewhere, and if you think this video is helpful, and please help me to support, like and share, and you can ask anything in the comment below. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.